Looks like one of our headlights is out. Let's replace it. Hello and welcome to How to Helen, where you learn something different every day. In this episode, we will be replacing the low headlight beam bulb for this 2002 Volkswagen Passat. Now, the model for the low headlight beam bulb is H7. So let's start by opening the hood to access the headlight beam bulb. Open the driver's side door, then locate the lever to release the hood. Now pull it so you can release the hood. Now open the hood so we can access the back of the headlight assembly. We need to go to the back of this assembly. To get better access of the headlight bulb, we need to remove this plastic panel over the power steering reservoir. So what you do is you pull it straight up to release from the tabs. Now when you release it, wiggle it out, moving it forward to get it off the security tabs. This one. Now pull the rubber protector that's protecting the headlight bulb. To release the headlight bulb from its base, just turn it counterclockwise and pull it straight out. And there's your headlight bulb. Now the headlight bulb is connected just by friction lock, so use a flathead screwdriver to separate the base from the headlight bulb. Just find a spot and you should be able to push it out. Now for better leverage, I'm going to use a plastic panel removal tool. There you go. Like I said, the connectors are just friction lock on the connectors. Here's a side-by-side comparison of the old headlight bulb and the new headlight bulb. Now, as much as you can, do not touch the bulb filament with your bare hands because moisture can transfer on the bulb filament and it might shorten the life of the bulb. Now, even if you don't believe me, let's be on the safe side. So let's attach the new bulb to the base socket. So align the connectors to each other and push it in. Now, before putting in the new bulb, let's turn on the car to see if it works. Alright, as you can see, it works. So let's align the base of the connector to the bulb assembly and turn it clockwise to lock it in place. Just a super close-up of the bulb. This metal base of the edge of the socket connector needs to lock on the metal hook located on the headlight assembly. Next, put back the rubber cover. Then the plastic panel for the power steering. And we're done.
Yes! Yes! Yes!
And that is how to replace the driver's side headlight bulb for this 2002 Volkswagen Passat. This has been another episode of How to Helen. My name's R. Jeff, and thank you for watching. Ah, why did you fall?